theory. Galois theory part 2. So friends, I have already discussed that Galois automorphisms means G equal to, suppose G R by A tends to automorphisms automorphism group number of automorphism group, or otherwise Galois group. The group is Galois group, friends. So friends, you have to I have already discussed part 1 and part 2. Now whatever I have to discuss, I want to discuss fixed field theory. So friends, I want to discuss fixed field theory. I am learner, friends. If any mistakes, if you think any mistakes, everything you can write in my comment sections. Okay, and your attention, your kind attention is very required for me, because you can understand, and I want to clear this concept, friends. So friends, please watch my video. So first is fixed field theory. So friends, fixed field theory means, suppose R, not R, it is writing, I think it can be not written R is not good in here. I write, okay, R or E, maybe I write E. So friends, E is the extension field, means extension field, friends, means this is E and F is this. So friends, this is the main fact in case of fixed field theory. Now whatever I want to say that E is extensions, and another factor is, I recall, this is the recall E, and it is also a man sigma. Okay friends, and now we say that I take H, this is the total, and G E by F is the automorphism, number of automorphism groups. Automorphism group. So friends, G is number of automorphism groups, means it is automorphism groups. Friends, whatever I have told, automorphisms means inverse exist. Why? Because 1 on 2, the function G inverse exists, because function is 1 on 2, friends. The function is function G is 1 on 2 my friends, and E tends to E. So friends, whatever you have seen, friends, and now I say that H is the subgroup of G E by F. So friends, H is subgroup of G E by F, friends.
Must remember Galois theory. Whatever I want to say, I want to say fixed field theory, friends. And H is the subgroup of G E by F. Okay, I hope that I am clear. And now must remember what is the H, and E H is called fixed field. So friends, it is the fixed field. It is called fixed field. Must remember, it can be also a lot of books. It is also written this way: e to the power h. But method is same, problem is same. E to the power h and EH both are same. So friends, e to the power h and EH is called fixed field. Whatever it is called fixed field, friends. X belongs to E. X belongs to E. X belongs to E, and now you see that sigma x equals to x, where not for all. It is a very important factor that for all sigma belongs to H. So friends, this is the fixed field. This is called fixed field of the group of automorphism. Fixed field of the group of automorphism. So friends, now you will write everything. Please pause and write. I will remove that and I will write this definition. Whatever I get in here. Whatever I write fixed field theory. Now friends, whatever I have drawn, whatever I just explained, whatever I have written, that I will write. Whatever I will written, that I will write. So friends, let E be the extension field of extension of the field F. Extension of the field F. Let E be the extension of the field F, and H be the subgroup of G E by F. H be the subgroup of G E by F. G means Galois group. G means Galois. G means Galois group. Galois automorphism group. G means Galois automorphism groups. So friends, whatever you see, the subgroup of G E by F. Okay, now it is the clear. H be the subgroup of G E by F. Then the set EH. So friends, some group must remember, some group write this way EH, and some group group right this way, e to the power h, but it is not a matter. Means denoted this way, and I know in my books I see that EH this way also denoted. So friends, the notation is different book, but main target is the set is EH is equals to x belongs to E such that sigma x is equal to x for all sigma belongs to H. I hope friends you can understand. I hope I can clear this concept. I think that everyone can understand, those who are watching, those friends, I think all of my friends, I can clear this concept. So friends, this is the main factor that sigma belongs to H and sigma x is equal to x. So friends, this EH, this EH is called fixed field. This EH is called fixed field. Fixed field of the group of automorphism of the group of automorphism H, of the group of automorphism H. So friends, I think that I can clear this concept. Means EH is called fixed field of the group of automorphism H. Now friends, whatever I want to say this is my node. This is node, and now I will also give some example in my previous. I hope that you will watch my previous Galois theorems introductions. So friends, I give the same examples in that. So friends, note is F is automorphism. F is subset of EH is subset of E. This is my node. So friends, if it is a field extension, if it is field and it is the extension, so friends, EH is in here. EH you can get in here. So friends, I hope I can clear total concepts. Now I will move another questions. Example. Now I shall go example. So friends, example. Same example, I G C by R. First example, and second example is whatever I have taken in my previous class, previous same fact, that G Q to the power 1/3 divided by Q. This is my example, friends. Now this is one. Now friends, whatever I in my previous Galois example, I want to give that G is or GC by R. I have taken GC by R. And this is the and EH. H is subset of GC by R. H is subset of GC by R, and CH I have to find out CH. So friends, what is the CH, friends? I have already told. I recall. Recall in this case, R, both are R, and this is C to C, the mapping is sigma, and R is only fixed. So friends, in here CH is equal to R. I have already
prove that R is there is only one fixed field in here. Another factor, friends, G. This is number 1 and this is number. And next number 2. This is number 2. Number 2 is G q to the power 3 to the power 1/3 by q. We know that, friends, whatever I have already I already said that q 3 to the power n s, h is the subset and h is subset. H is subset of G into Q 3 to the power 1/3 divided by Q. H subset of this factor, and another factor is Q H 3 to the power 1/3 equals to whatever we get, friends, we get q into 3 to the power 1/3, because you see that it is the only 1 and onto mapping is possible is that. So friends, this is the total of the total example, friends.